My name is Seth K Bani, and today I'm going to show you how to design this. So let's go into Photoshop, Ctrl+0 to open and go to where your images are. So I'll pick this, or just a Ctrl+O. We could double select them. We could select this and this and this, and then click on open. Then we'll go to the hue and saturation, and then you don't touch anything, just the saturation. We want it to saturate. We want to bring the saturation down, so bring it to around -50 thereabout. And this happens because when you are watching movies like Batman movie and other movies like that, you realize that they bring the saturation down, and that is what makes the movie more cinematic. So that is what we are doing right now. The second thing is that you're going to go to the solid color, and then you're going to select black. Okay, now double click here, pull this one up a little bit. You want to click here, but you want to click on Alt. So click and hold Alt and then drag it, see, to divide it, and then just keep on pulling it to the far end, or you could bring it up a little bit depending on how you like it. I think this is good. So this is it. Now you could see the dramatic effect already coming out, and that is what we want. Now you set the opacity to around 50%. Let's go to gradient map. Click here. Okay, click over here, and then come and click on the photographic toning. Click on OK. So now this is going to load for you. Just keep on selecting to find out. We are looking for this gold Cooper. So if yours is not, just keep on searching for it. Gold Cooper, this is what we are looking for. Okay, and click on OK. Click on the blending modes here and choose soft light. Then set the opacity to around 80%. Let's set the opacity to 50%. And then let's come to the color fill. Okay, let's set the opacity to 80%. We want more of the dark color in there. Yes, and then this one is just a little bit in the background. So this is it, ladies and gentlemen. This is how you create your effect. So you could click on it, click on the move tool, and just drag it to the next document, and then it just works like that. If you want to make some corrections, you probably will click here and maybe reduce it. You could also move it to another tab, and then this is how it creates a very nice moody effect. You could use this for your Instagram and other social media channels as well. I love you all, guys. Please don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe to the channel. And then also I have some affiliate links down there to check them out, and when you love them, please use them. I love you all. Peace out.